Hey guys, it's Debbie, and I haven't left. I was gonna quit painting, and I was having way too much fun, so I'm going to paint another one. So do you want me to go through all the mixtures? You might, since you might have not seen the other videos. Okay, leading up to this. I have a base made up of 2-to-1, 2 parts. I have to look down there. I got it sitting across the room. Valspar, Glidden. Oops, no, that one's Glidden. The other one's Valspar. Valspar base 3 with no colorants added. And that is 2 parts to 1 part polyurethane that is the oil base modified for water. Okay, and then I am mixing. Okay, so I've taken that and I've mixed all my colors up with that. And each one of the colors, except for black and white, have a little approximately 4 drops of the silicone. And it's the old, and I can't remember what it is, but maybe you can tell by the bottle. Oops. You can buy this at Lowe's or Home Depot, and maybe you can buy it at Walmart's. I don't know. I got mine at Lowe's. So, okay. And my base white that I'm putting down is only mixed with Floetrol and water. And I didn't really measure that, but I was trying to do like 2-to-1, 3-to-1, somewhere in there. Are you mad at me for that? Sorry. I try really hard, but I'm not a measure person. And then I added water to get it to what I thought was the perfect consistency. So, what else? I don't even know. So, I'm going to use my dirty cup that I just used, that I thought I was done. I swear to God, this is probably the last one for tonight because I'm getting tired. But I'm having fun, so I haven't quit. Anyways, that's about all I can tell you right now until I think of something else. And my gloves are kind of dirty, but gotta save these valuable gloves because we need them to go out of the house nowadays. So luckily I have a few to go. Okay guys, I'm pulling you down. Okay, now it's time to get serious and have some fun. Okay. Gosh, every time I was using these same colors over and over again, of course you got a whole different painting, so different than the last one. But I'm really seriously running out. Of the orange color, so I'm gonna put a little bit of white on the bottom. And who wants to be next? Let's use up this pretty yellow. Okay. I only have a little bit of red left also. Let's see, where do we want to put that red? Near the black maybe? Almost everything's gone. I guess we're going to use a lot of blue this time. I didn't put any blue on the other ones. No, let's use up the orange right now. The fun part is creating the paintings. The not so fun part is mixing up the paint. So we probably won't have a lot of orange in there, but okay guys, I saved that one. I think it's time for some black. Let's use up the yellow ochre. It's yellow ochre. I swear. Can't talk yet. It's getting late. That's my excuse. So, all right. So I guess we used up pretty much used up that red. Ah, pretty purple. Okay, so I'm going to use up all this. Okay, I don't know if I told you this in this particular video, but these are latexes, and this one is Craft Smart. I don't know. It's metallic gold. It's called metallic. We're only going to get a couple drops in there because that's just the end of the jar. The only thing I really have a lot of is blue and black and white. So, but we really probably don't need very many more colors. But we'll just put a little bit of that in there. What the heck? With some more black. There we go. Plenty of colors in there. So now, I'm going to put a little base in here. This is just Glidden semi-gloss mixed with Floetrol and water to get it runny. Oh yeah, I was going to touch, who cares about the edges? We got plenty of paint. Maybe we won't, but we might. Ready? Oop, there we go. Now the fun part is about to begin. If I don't spill everything. Get all that stuff out of the way for a minute. Alright. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Alright. We don't need to wait much longer. But I might want a little bit more of this. Do I have anything else? Whoa. This is a little bit runnier than the other ones. We'll start by going this way, I think. I like some things on that side. I don't want to lose them. It's like, if you do it real quick, maybe you won't lose it. Yeah, right. Alright, guys. just take that out. I was wondering if that would make any difference. Give it a quick torch again. Nothing worse than getting all done and you had plenty of nice wet paint. You could have made the corners match, and then you find out, oh, they don't really match. You know, because you left something kind of dry. So my blue, I don't have as much blue in there as I thought I would. Okay, I'm just putting a little silicone on. Just touching it here and there. It's got a lot of little veining right in there. See that? Or I'm not sure what you want to call it. You see that? You can see where I hit it with the silicone. Now we got some little cells floating around in there. And we have a lot of space that where your eye can relax a little bit because you don't want it too awful busy. So I think I'm done. I think I'm done with that one, guys. So I'm done for the night too. Hi. When I came in here and I thought I'd make a video, and then later on I was gonna go, I like working with crystals and making jewelry and stuff like that, and thought I was going to have time tonight to do everything. It's going to be time to go to bed in a few minutes. It's getting so late. I had a good time, and I'm hoping you guys had a good time watching along. So thank you guys for stopping by, and stay safe. Bye-bye.